Okay, here we are again. Time to get the car washed. Let's do this. My radio says it's 47 degrees outside, 47 Fahrenheit. So it's a good day to wash the old car. This thing has got salt from the roads all over it. So I figured I'd give you some gas. Wash my car. I forgot to pull the mirrors in, it'll probably rip that damn thing off. When I was a little kid, my dad would take us to the car wash, and it was similar to this. You know, had these big brushes and all that stuff. Yeah, it used to scare me so bad. I always thought it was like some monster trying to get into the car or something. I don't know. But yeah, I still remember that. It's been a long time ago. Mirrors are still there. We still have mirrors. That's a good sign. I believe now we're getting rinsed off. Windows getting fogged up. Oh no, here's the final rinse here. Using the BP car wash. And I think it's done. Yep, there comes the blowers. You hear that? Blowing all the water, all the excess water off. Or the better part of it, because these things never do get everything. But like I say, I don't care. I just wanted to get the salt and stuff off the car, and surprisingly enough, there wasn't a line up here today. I came here yesterday, and there was a line for the car wash. It was backed up like 7 cars. I was like, I'm not waiting in line for that. So, we got lucky today. Topped off the old tank at $1.93 a gallon. It's the lowest it's been in quite a while. Took $4 to top the tank off, and then I think it was like $6 for a car wash, so not a bad deal. Alright, I believe that is it. When the green light comes on, we can go. There we go. And there you have it. At the car wash with KG. Until next time, thanks for watching.